Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. AINTREE green, wow, what a good looking car. Land Rover Discovery 4 3-litre diesel SD V6 XS model, automatic, £12,595, has done 114,000 miles, had the cam belt replaced by Land Rover at 87,000 miles. We got 7 or 8 services with this car. We got 19, 47, 59, 72, 83, 87 and 111. Now this car has been very well maintained. I'm guessing they haven't always had the book stamped. It drives like a new car. We have put it through our workshop. It is lovely. Okay, MOT at the moment till the 22nd of Feb 2025. We've run it through our workshop. It brakes, tyres, everything underneath, arms, bushes, lovely thing. I think you can see by the condition. Now we have refurbed the wheels because they were slightly corroded, and we've cleaned it inside. The outside at the moment we have not touched. It wasn't particularly dirty inside either. Lovely thing. Just can't tell you how well this car drives. Nice Falcon SUV tyres all round, loads of tread on them. Not stone chipped, not scuffed, not tatty on the front. Mirrors not scuffed. Paintwork, we haven't done anything. We will give it a paint correction and ceramic coat. It will look beautiful. It's already nice. Inside it's had a light clean. Just not knocked about or abused at all. Land Rover fitted rubber mats, multifunction steering wheel, paddle change, cruise control, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats. Just lovely condition everywhere you look. 7 seats obviously. Real nice. Load covers in there. Fitted mud flaps, side steps, rear park sensors, front park sensors. Very nice. Just checking to see if you've got the tow bar. Doesn't look like it has. Matching tyres this side. Privacy glass. Yeah, I do like those Falcon Wild Peak all-terrain tyres. Folding mirrors, electric mirrors, Meridian HIFI, driver's seat in nice condition, voice control. This car's got 114,225 miles. As I say, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated seats. Very nice, super clean car, drives very well. Cam belt done by Land Rover. £12,595, dead straight, drives so well. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. that's our website. You can see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. There'll be quite a few discoveries. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.